Hello and welcome everybody. You may have seen my previous video about the Robin, little bird Robin right here. This has a, what is this, a G10 whatever scale on it, and a fun little knife. And I use this as a utility knife. One reason why I like it is just simple. You grab it, you flick it open, and then you have a locked little knife and you can do all sorts of things with it, right? And I am making this video and I've ordered this other knife, another bird, because this thing failed me this week. Now, you guys know the discussion here. What do you like more? Write in the comments below. Do you prefer a utility knife like this or just a locking blade? For me, I've had problems with this because I was hoping this would lock when it was cutting cardboard. And you can see I need to replace the blade, which is fine. It's on me for not replacing the blade. But why doesn't this lock anymore? What happened to this? Somehow the mechanism's broken and it only locks in goofy places, like when I'm trying to retract it. Look. So I actually have to pull this out to get it to fully retract, which is annoying. So I was annoyed at this, so I ordered a new bird from Amazon, and obviously it has wire strippers right here, which is also annoying because you have to unlock it, and it flicks open, and you know, it's okay, but I prefer dedicated tools, right? So what do I think of this? It's fine, you know, I'm not saying this is terrible. It's just not my preference, let's say it that way. So in my opinion, not something I'm going out of my way to get. Whereas these are extremely useful. As you can see, I actually spent my own money. So when I spend my money, I know I believe in a product. And this came today. I'm excited about it. And I don't baby these. You can see this one. Can you see the scale? This has super glue on it. This has the, what's that stuff called? It's the varnish, the like semi-gloss rub-on poly. Anyway, so this obviously gets used a ton. It has chemicals on it, and I was thinking, you know, I might want to get a new one of these, and I decided to try the nylon handle, whatever they call it. It says on the, it's like here, let's look. I think it's like the FRN, fiber reinforced nylon or something. Ambidextrous, one hand, blah, this is all just the normal, what you get with the knife. Yeah, FRN, brown FRN. Not sure if that's going to show up. Either way, just as a utility knife. And I am not gentle here. Let's look at the blades here. Like, I am not gentle with my knives. These aren't knives that I'm babying. So this is, I don't see these as collectors. I see these as workhorse, sitting in my shop, sitting in my garage. These are going to get some work. So I ordered a new one. Hopefully this will resist some chemicals a little bit more. If it doesn't, I'll let you know. If there's some acetone that just totally eats away the FRN, you know me, I'll take a picture, but it seems unlikely. And you know, you never know when things are going to happen. So this is going in the shop and it is going to work, just like this one. So very happy with the Byrd knives. I like them because I understand, I like nice knives as well. You've seen my Benchmades, you've seen my other knives, but sometimes it's nice just to have, I don't want to call them a beater knife, they're just a workhorse knife, and that's how I see these. So highly recommended, and recommended enough that I actually went out and bought another one. I don't know if that speaks volumes or how you interpret that, but something I really enjoy using and I feel meets my needs. Let me know your thoughts. Do you prefer utility knife or locking blade? Because this is I have to replace this with two tools. I need a knife and wire strippers. So I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Everybody, I suspect, has some thoughts. Maybe you don't have a shop. Maybe you don't have a garage where you're going to need something like this at all. So maybe you're more of a collector, which I wish, oh man, it would be wonderful if I didn't have to cut up cardboard boxes for recycling and stuff. So let us know your thoughts. What's going on with knives? Do you like the Byrd Robin? Do you prefer other Spyderco knives or Benchmade knives for your utility knife? I'm interested to hear. Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. You can find this knife and other products in my Amazon shop. I'll put a link in the description below. I am an Amazon associate, so I make proceeds from qualifying purchases. They tell me to say that in my videos. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. My name is John Hobby.